Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a good day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Meron na naman tayong panibagong upload. Lahat ng mga unit natin dito ay garantisadong maayos, good quality at wala pong sakit sa ulo. Mechanic inspected at na-scan na po natin to. Kaya sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, check nyo to mga bossing at sigurado pong hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo. Alright, let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Huwag na nating patagalin to. Unang unit natin, meron tayong 2019 Toyota Innova 2.8e automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 40,000 km, price 810,000, location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng reliable MPV that offers a comfortable and convenient driving experience, meron tayong Toyota Innova, all stock, all original to, 6-speed automatic transmission, may eco mode and power mode, 7 to 8 seater ang capacity, naka deep dish matting na to. Check nyo po ang interior nito, spacious, ang comfortable cabin, malamig ang aircon, walang problema, perfect to pang family use. Under the hood, powerful 2.8 liter diesel engine that produces 172 horsepower at 360 Nm of torque, smooth and efficient performance, ready for long drive. Available po itong unit natin sa financing, paka-check na lang po ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Exterior appearance nitong unit, makinis, naka-stock original shiny paint pa po yan, naka-multi-reflectorized halogen headlights na po yan, nothing to fix, just diesel and go. Next, 2013 Honda City 1.3S automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 80,000 km, price 350,000, location BF Homes, Las Piñas City. Lahat po ng unit natin free transfer of ownership na po para hindi na po kayo mamroblema sa mga papel. Meron din akong sinamang budget friendly na sedan. Meron tayong Honda City, quality po itong unit natin. Smooth and responsive, 5-speed automatic ang transmission. All power, steering, windows, doors and mirrors, working po lahat. Maayos ang kondisyon nito mga bossing at swabe mo nakbo, wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, malinis po ang engine nito, wala pong oil leakage. Naka 1.3 liter fuel efficient gasoline engine that produces 99 horsepower at 110 Nm of torque. Available din itong Honda City natin sa financing, paki-check na lang po ng computation andyan sa screen. Kompleto naman ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer at naka-register to hanggang 2025. Best buy unit to. Next, we have 2016 Honda Mobilio 1.5V automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 70,000 km, price 490,000, location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng MPV na pasok sa inyong mga budget, meron tayong Honda Mobilio 7-seater ang capacity, well maintained and well preserved unit to. Safety features naman ito, naka dual front airbags, meron na rin tong child safety lock, may anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, meron na rin tong vehicle stability assist, goods pa to at naka two-tone leather seat cover pa po yan, wala pong damage. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter iVTEC gasoline engine that produces 118 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit natin sa financing, paka-check na lang po ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Sa may mga inquiry po dyan regarding sa requirements ng financing at computation, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2024 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 3,000 km, price 650,000, location Santolan, Pasig City. Meron tayong good as new condition na Toyota Vios, 3,000 km lang pong tinakbo na ito, first owned unit, may kasama po itong dalawang original key. Keyless entry na rin to, naka 6.75 inches touchscreen infotainment system with 4 speakers. Meron na rin tong reverse camera installed, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. Under the hood, smooth and quiet, fuel efficient 1.3 dual VVTi gasoline engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. May kasa markings pa po yan at kasa warranty. Kompleto po ito ng tools at hindi pa po nagagamit ang spare tire nito. Another best buy unit to, makinis po ito, wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Nasa 95% trade line pa po ang mga gulong neto. Perfect to pang personal and family use. Pwede rin pong ipasok sa Grab to. Next, 2016 Isuzu MU-X 3.0 LSA 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 58,000 km, Price 750,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong quality na automatic 7-seater SUV that offers a blend of comfort, practicality, and off-road capability. Naka-keyless entry na rin to, push start button with cruise control. All power seats, windows, doors, and mirrors working po lahat. Naka 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation at mayroon na rin tong ceiling monitor, 10-inch DVD monitor. Well-maintained unit to kahit 2016 model. Under the hood, naka 3.0 powerful diesel engine that produces 177 horsepower at 380 Nm of torque. Available din itong unit natin sa financing. Paka-check na lang po ulit ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Exterior appearance ito, bold and rugged design with chrome accents. Naka 18 inches alloy wheels at makakapal pang mga gulong neto. Very presentable po ang unit. Next, 2016 Toyota Innova 2.0G automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 17,000 km. Price 730,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another Toyota Innova, gwapong-gwapo rin to. Makinis at malinis ang pagkaputi nito, pero this time ito gas engine lang po ito, yung kanina nating diesel engine. See the look, maayos po ang interior nitong unit. Ang maganda rin dito sa Innova, spacious cabin with ample legroom and headroom. Goods na goods pa itong unit, kita naman ang itsura. Quality to at wala pa pong kalampagang pang ilalim. Ready for long drive. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 2.0 liter gasoline engine with dual VVTi technology that produces 139 horsepower at 183 Nm of torque. Kasama rin itong unit natin sa financing. Plus check ulit ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Safety features naman itong Innova, naka dual airbags for driver and front passenger. Meron na itong anti-lock braking system, may electronic brake force distribution at vehicle stability control system. Next, 2017 Toyota Fortuner 2.4G 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer 61,000 km. Price 1 million pesos. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang Toyota Fortuner. Flawless din ito, wala ring gasgas, walang dent. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Smooth and responsive 6-speed automatic transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting. Naka 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation na rin to. First owned unit, well maintained po ito. Clean and fresh intact interior, 7-seater pang capacity. At maluwag ang cargo bay nito, perfect pang family use. Under the hood, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 147 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque. Rear wheel drive po ito. Available din po itong Fortuner sa financing. Paka-check na lang po ng computation, andyan po sa screen. For more quality units, you can visit my Facebook account, Renato De La Torre Jr. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon para marami kayong choices na pagpilian. Next, 2018 Suzuki Ertiga 1.4 GL automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 60,000 km. Price 525,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another 7-seater SUV. Ang gwapo rin itong Suzuki Ertiga na to. Sleek and modern design exterior, smooth and responsive 4-speed automatic transmission, front wheel drive po ito. Clean and intact interior, naka-fabric seats at maayos pong kondisyon nito, wala pong damage. Lahat po ng unit natin to fix, sasakyan mo na lang. Pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual and you can bring your trusted mechanic. Under the hood, naka 1.4 liter gasoline engine that delivers adequate power for city driving and highway cruising and produces 95 horsepower at 130 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing. Plus check ulit ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Formado na to, naka-mags na po yan at makakapal pang mga gulong. Meron na rin tong rough carrier. Ready to use na po ito, just gas and go. Next, meron din tayong 2017 Ford Everest 2.2 Trend 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer 40,000 km. Price 810,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another guwapo na 7-seater SUV, this time Ford Everest naman to. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Naka 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Ford Sync 3. Naka dual zone ice cold aircon with automatic climate control for personalized comfort. Under the hood, naka 2.2 liter diesel engine that produces 160 horsepower at 385 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue po ito, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Available po itong unit natin sa financing. Paka-check na lang po ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Naka all-in low down payment na po tayo dyan. Sa mga cash buyer naman po natin, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Kung mayroon naman po kayong mga existing unit dyan, pwede nyo pong i-trade in. Next, 2017 Toyota Yaris 1.3e automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 19,000 km. Price, 470,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Mayroon din akong sinamang Toyota Yaris. Baka may kursunado nito sa inyo. Check this out mga idol at bossing ko. Smooth and responsive, 4-speed automatic transmission. Wala ring delay sa shifting. All stock, all original po ang unit natin. Best buy unit din to at 19,000 km lang pong tinakbo. Smooth ang suspension at wala po itong kalampag ang pangilalim. Solid under chassis. Under the hood, superb quality fuel efficient engine. Naka 1.3 liter gas engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po itong unit natin sa financing. Please check ulit ng computation. Andyan po sa screen. Sa may mga inquiry po dyan regarding sa financing computation at financing requirements, just comment down below sa video or andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, we have 2017 Isuzu MU-X 3.0 LSA 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 50,000 km. Price, 870,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another quality na MU-X. Kanina meron tayong kulay red. Ito pong kulay pearl white. Pilihan nyo na lang mga bossing. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, all power seat, windows, doors and mirrors, pati retractable side mirror, gumagana po lahat. Naka-leather po ito, upuan pati sidings, maayos ang kondisyon, 7 to 8 seater ang capacity. Under the hood, powerful and excellent engine, naka 3.0 liter diesel engine that produces 177 horsepower at 380 Nm of torque. Available po itong unit natin sa financing, paki-check na lang po ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Maayos po ang mga unit natin, wala po itong sakit sa ulo, ready for long drive. Kompleto po ang mga papel, LT1 HPG verified. Sasakyan mo na lang to. Next, 2019 Hyundai Kona 2.0 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 46,000 km. Price, 570,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Mayroon din akong sinamang subcompact crossover na Hyundai Kona. Ang gwapo rin ng forma nito. Naka-LED daytime running lights, naka-projector headlights, push start button na rin to, 6-speed automatic ang transmission, smooth shifting, wala ring delay ito. 7 to 8 seater ang capacity at maayos pang kondisyon ng mga upuan nito, walang punit, walang damage. Maluwag din ang cargo bay nito, marami kayong mailalagay. Under the hood, wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history. Naka 2.0 liter gas engine that produces 149 horsepower at 179 Nm of torque. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer at naka-registered hanggang 2025. 100% not flooded po ito at 100% no accident history. Next, 2019 Ford Ranger 2.0 Wild Track 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 50,000 km. Price, 830,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Kung may naghahanap naman sa inyo dyan ng pick-up, meron din tayong Ford Ranger Wild Track. Good running condition to, no issue, nothing to fix. Sasakyan mo na lang to. All intact ang interior, well-maintained and well-preserved unit. All stock, all original interior to. Pasok din po ito sa financing. Paka-check na lang po ng computation. Nandyan po sa screen. Naka-all leather ang mga upuan nito at maayos pong kondisyon. No engine issue, ready for long drive. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may napili kayo. At kung wala po po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J Cats Vlogs. Peace out.